What's up beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Blush Trust by Farzana. From today I will start a series of different eye looks for beginners. But before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, it really helps support the channel. Now let's start it. I have already done one eye makeup, this eye, so that you can understand the finished look. I only have used 3 eyeshadows to do this look. Now I'm going to do this eye on camera so that you can see how I'm doing it.
First, I'm going to take my P.Louis Rumor 2 eye base and going to apply it on my eyelid before applying my eyeshadows. Taking my beauty blender, I'm going to take off all the excess product from my eyelid. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, which is Snowflake, I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and inner corner of my eye. But before applying, I'll take my brush, apply the big spray on my brush so that the highlighter will pop more. I'm going to take my Morphe 25A palette and taking these 2 shades, I will be applying it as my translucent color. Now I'm going to take these 2 dark colors and will apply it on my eyelid. Going to take this shimmer shade and will apply it on my eyelid. In a dabbing motion, I'll be applying the shimmer, and after that I'll repeat the steps that I have done before, which is applying the eyeshadows. First I'll be applying the darker eyeshadows and then I'll apply the lighter eyeshadows. I'll apply the darker eyeshadow in a U motion like this way, first in the inner corners, and then I'm going to connect them and going to repeat it again and again. Now going to line my eyes with my NYX matte liquid liner. Taking my MAC Cosmetics extended play lashes, I'll be applying my mascara. You know that I like to apply my P.Louis base on my waterline as my liner, so I'll be repeating that step. Once again, if you have sensitive eyes, don't try this, but if you like to have bold eyes with like something that will open up your eyes, then you can try this with any concealer. Now I have to set the concealer. So for that, I'll take the eyeshadow cream color from my Morphe 25A palette and slowly by dabbing, I'll set it. Now that we have set the waterline, I'll take the darker shades to apply on the bottom of my lower lash line to give a very smoked out lining effect. Now the last part, yes, I'm going to apply my lashes. That's all for today. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe if you haven't already. There will be more content like this coming soon. Until then, bye.